सो गुड इवनिंग गाइस, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं ग्रेडेबिलिटी टेस्ट विच वुड बी कैरिड आउट ऑन इंक्लिनेशन ओवर हियर। छोटा सा इंक्लिनेशन है, समवेयर अराउंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ 300 to 400 meters है, एंड वुड बी climb test or gradability test, simple one electric scooter in different modes. In eco mode कितना distance चलती है, in ride mode and all the modes. So first we will find out ये पूरा चढ़ाई जो है, the inclination total distance इसका कितना है, and then we'll carry out the climb test in different modes for the simple one. जुड़े रहें। जो भी टेस्ट रहेगा वी विल बी डूइंग इट विद द पिलियन एंड विदाउट द पिलियन एंड इन ऑल डिफरेंट मोड्स। सो इको मोड में फर्स्ट क्लाइम करूँगा विद सोलो एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स विद पिलियन, एंड देन विल कंडक्ट ऑल द क्लाइम टेस्ट in different modes with and without pillion as well. First of all, let's reset the odometers. So ट्रिप मीटर को किया है 0, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट टोटल क्लाइम का डिस्टेंस कितना है। सो गट जरा। So first we'll climb the uphill. Done. So let's change the mode to ride mode. Maybe dash mode. Yeah. So the total distance of the climb is somewhere around just 200 meters. So करेंगे solo ride on this climb in eco mode. So I'll drop my pillion and the cameraman for the day, Janavi, and let's continue the video. Okay, starting the ride in eco mode, and I have set my trip meter to 0. और eco mode में ये climb test कर रहा हूँ solo. So total distance of 250 है, 250 meters. So out of those 250 meters eco mode में कितना चढ़ पाती है देख लेते हैं, and still going well in eco mode. 100 meters हो चुके हैं complete, and I think so it will climb pretty well. So in eco mode, the simple one climbed easily, and it climbed easily. मैं ऊपर जाकर फिर नीचे आ चुका हूँ, and now it's time to test the same climb with the pillion. So you please hop on. So starting the climb test of the Simple One in eco mode, and trip meter again set to 0. Let's see how much it can climb this uphill. Out of 250 meters. So here we go. So far so good. Yeah, so out of those 250 meters, it has covered only 100 meters of distance. So with pillion, Simple One can't climb the full 250 meters of inclination. बहुत ही steep angle है. Camera can't make this justice. I wish I could show the elevation angle of this uphill. So yeah, so in eco mode with the pillion, the Simple One has covered a total distance of just 100 meters out of 250 meters. Okay, trip meter को किया है 0 and doing the inclination test of the Simple One in ride mode. Here we go. Pretty much easily climbing this uphill. बहुत ही आसानी से हो रहा है. And feels like it was a piece of cake. So in ride mode, it can climb easily the full distance of the uphill. So let's test the same thing in ride mode with the pillion. So hop on. So starting with the inclination test in ride mode, pillion, and yeah, let's find out how easily it can climb this in ride mode. Yeah. Let's start. Speed increasing gradually. This is the maximum inclination part of the climb we have reached. Speed has dropped a little, but so far so good, and I think it will complete the inclination. Yeah, so it has covered that distance easily in ride mode as well with the pillion. So far so good. Inclination test in eco mode and ride mode have been done, and now what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna climb this uphill and make a dead halt, and then from that dead halt I'll be trying to gain speed in eco mode if it is possible. Second thing, if not in eco mode, I'll try to change the modes to ride mode and the higher mode, whichever it can climb, and let you know, guys. So let's do a dead stop climb hill test. So climbing again in eco mode, and I think so the vehicle is gonna stop somewhere. Yeah, so over here I'm stopping. The speed is completely zero, and I'm gonna try to climb again back in eco mode if it is possible. No, it's not climbing at all, and the motor has turned off as a part of safety. So what we'll do is we'll turn off the system, we'll turn it on again, and then we'll turn on the motor, and then we'll try continuing the journey in ride mode. So let me give the throttle. Yeah, it can climb, I guess, slow and steadily. Yeah, pretty much easy. Let's do the same with the pillion. Let's start the inclination test from dead halt on the way. So I'm in the middle of this inclination, and let's continue this with pillion. So click this arrow, reverse arrow. Yeah, I'm with the pillion, and I'm trying to do the test from the middle of this inclination in eco mode. Yeah, so let's start. I'm giving the throttle, not climbing at all. So before the motor stops completely, I'm gonna change the mode to ride mode and find out whether it can carry the load of 2 persons from this dead halt. So starting the throttle again. Yeah, it's pulling a bit little. No, and the motor has stopped. So what we have to do is we'll turn this off, turn it on again, and we'll turn on the motor. So it cannot climb in eco mode, it cannot climb in ride mode with the pillion from a dead halt on a given inclination. Let's try the dash mode and find out. Yeah, we have changed the mode to dash, and let's continue giving the throttle. And yeah, it has started climbing easily. Yeah, so hi guys, this is actually 2 days later, and I'm continuing the video of that climb test of my Simple One. So I 2 days later, 2 दिन बुखार आया, हालत हो गई ख़राब, and आज थोड़ा थोड़ा ओके है, and let's continue. अंडरस्टैंड होने के लिए मैंने एक छोटा सा नोट रेडी किया है. तो दिस इज़ बेसिकली दैट inclination where I conducted the test. It will have a pretty decent angle, अच्छा खासा क्लाइंब है, wherein 100 meters नॉर्मल जैसा है. 100 meters के बाद थोड़ा स्टीप एंगल है until it finishes to 250 meters. So मोटा मोटा ये पूरा जो इंक्लिनेशन पार्ट है, it is all approximately 250 meters. Okay, now जो मैंने टेस्ट कंडक्ट किए थे, आई कंडक्टेड द क्लाइंब टेस्ट ओके इन इको मोड सोलो. इट कुड क्लाइंब द फुल 250 meters नाइस एंड ईजिली. फिर मैंने इको मोड में विथ पिलियन could just climb just somewhere around 100 meters. बाद में मैंने किया ride mode solo, which was just a piece of cake for the scooter. Ride mode with pillion, again it climbed very easily. तो ये जो मैंने जो भी अभी ऊपर लिखा है, this was all the way from bottom till the top part of the inclination uphill. जो मैंने क्लाइंब टेस्ट और एक तरीके से किया, विच वॉज लाइक द हाफ पार्ट में आके गाड़ी को बंद करना और फिर गाड़ी को ऑन करके क्या वो चढ़ पाती है वो टेस्ट करना. सो इन दैट ऑल्सो इन इको मोड सोलो टेस्ट में वो क्लाइम नहीं कर पाई. देन आई टर्न द राइडिंग मोड टू राइड मोड with solo, solo, easily it could climb. After which I tried the eco mode with the pillion. Again, it was not able to climb the inclination uphill. Then I tried the ride mode with the pillion. Again, it didn't climb. And finally, it could climb the uphill from a halfway dead point in the climb in dash mode very very easily. So जो भी easily वो चढ़ पाई, आई मीन राइड मोड के बाद विद द पिलियन पूरा फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. उसके बाद जो डैश मोड है वो मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं किया बिकॉज इट इज़ प्रिटी ऑब्वियस वो इजीली वो चढ़ पाएगी. एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द हाफ वे पॉइंट सोनिक मोड में भी मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया because it was obvious, because it could climb easily in the dash mode, so it is obvious that it can climb in sonic mode as well. Now the important part, ये सब ट्राई करने के लिए सिंपल वन में बैटरी परसेंटेज शुड बी बिट लिटिल हाई. सो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट इज, अगर आपके रूटीन वर्क में या ट्रैवल पार्ट में अगर इंक्लिनेशन है एंड if you travel along with your pillion, see that the battery percentage should be pretty much high so that it can climb very easily. Eco mode में ही अगर बैटरी लो है and if your the scooter is in eco mode, it won't be able to climb the uphill that easily. So plan your rides accordingly as per the battery percentage and also as per your route. So that was all about the climb test of the simple one electric scooter. And yeah, so I'll turn this off, नहीं तो आता है glare. Yeah, so my that was all about the climb test. And if you know the drill, please do like the video, please share the same with your friends and family, and सब्सक्राइब करो यार, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब. आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे तभी मेरा चैनल ग्रो होगा. एंड अमेजिंग जर्नीज आर अपकमिंग. एक तो मेरा छोटा भाई है और एक छोटा भाई है, उसकी शादी है, तो फिर से ट्रैवल है. एंड देन उस शादी के बाद उपनयन संस्कार है और एक फैमिली मेम्बर का. तो जुड़े रहें मेरे चैनल में. until then, see you very soon in the upcoming videos. फिर से कहना चाहूँगा, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज़ शेयर द सेम. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, जो भी आपको बुरा लगे, डू लीव अ कमेंट in the comment section. And until then, see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Tada, bye bye, bye bye.